Welcome teachers, this is Steven Seco from Drast Programs. We have recently updated the primary school assessment program and I believe you'll love to watch this brief overview to see how the newly included features work. I'll take you through this very quickly, showing you only the recently added features and how the new version behaves with these updates. Most of you have been requesting for so long to make these changes. This is the program that you were waiting for. When you open up the program, it is protected by the school name. Type your school name to activate the program. The school name can be in uppercase or sentence case, whichever way you type your school name, it will still be accepted. One of the changes made is that the subjects have been increased from 8 subjects to 12 subjects. If you are teaching only 9 or 10 subjects, leave the other spaces blank. Enter your subjects and their short form. On the right in the subject box, are their standard marks. The standard marks are the maximum marks that you are required to collect in each assessment period or in a term if you are to give out the report cards termly. They can be same for all subjects or different depending on how your school advises you to do so. Then you fill out everything in the home sheet, including the students' names, their gender, classes, and their admission number. When you are done filling out the cells in the home sheet, move on to each subject sheet. With this updated program, you can estimate the marks of a student who miss an assessment with a valid reason by entering E, or without a valid reason by entering A. E estimates the marks by referring to his or her marks, and A gives a student 1 mark below the lowest. When you are done entering the marks, move on to S1 to S12, that is where you print out the SAPs, Subject Assessment Period sheets. Then you have the XAPs, Categorized SAPs, and the SAS, Subjects Assessment Summary sheet. The most changes are done with the report cards. Report cards are created using macros. In the sheet Rename Report Card, you have a Select Name section and a Search section. In the Select Name drop-down menu you have a list of all your students. When you select a particular student's name, his or her marks will be loaded into the report card. At this time, the marks and data showing here are belongs to the selected student. In the search section, you type the student's first name or surname. Number of search results will be shown at the Select Name section. You select the particular student from the search result drop-down menu. This is where you have to print out the report cards for 1 or 2 students. It is so easy and fast. You search, then select and then print. When you want to print out the report cards for all the students, click on R105, the sheet name R105, indicates the number of report cards found in this sheet, that is from 1 to 105. Report cards from 106 to 210 are found in R210, and so forth with R315 and R420. When you first click on R105 sheet, the 105 report card will be blank. Click on Update R105 to update the report cards for all the students. It will take a while if you have more students. Just wait patiently until it loads all the data into the report cards. A success message will pop up when the loading is completed. In this tutorial I have only 10 students. To save the 10 report cards as PDF, you go to File, click on Save As. Select the location folder. Type in the file name. I will type RC as file name. Then select the file type as PDF. Click on Options. Set the pages from 1 to 10, if you have 25 students, set the pages as 1 to 25. So that the blank pages won't be saved. Then click OK. And click Save. It will show publishing and then save the 10 report cards in the location folder that we've selected. The 10 report cards are now saved as PDF. Once again, more report cards take a while when publishing into PDF. One more thing here, if you go to Home Sheet and remove the students' names in between. Let's say we remove from 2 to 8, we will left with 1, 9, and 10. Then we go back to R105, and click Update R105. The report cards of the remaining 3 students will be created omitting the empty name spaces in between. Let's scroll through to prove that the 3 report cards are created in the first 3 pages. Another thing here, if you delete the marks or anything here by mistake, just click on Update R105 again. Then everything will be loaded back. I hope this short video gives you a clear overview. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this Drast Programs YouTube channel for the upcoming tutorial videos similar to this.